Hey everybody, it's Haley, and today we're gonna be making some delicious chocolate chip cookies. And I've actually not been feeling well today. I had a fever of 100.5 earlier, but I took some medicine and I'm feeling better now. But that's why I'm calling the video Cookies You Can Make While You're Sick. And also the rest of my family is sick too. So that's why I'm allowed to make something, because they're already sick, so. And actually, I probably have the coronavirus because 3 of my family members tested positive for it. We wear masks most of the time, but it's still pretty serious out there. So just make sure y'all are wearing masks and washing your hands and staying safe. And if you could pray for my family, I would be so thankful. And I will be praying for anybody else who has the coronavirus to get better and feel better, because it does not feel good when you have it. It feels horrible. Anyways, enough of the sadness. Let's make some chocolate chip cookies. So first we have 2 sticks of melted butter, Christmas spatula, and then we're gonna add half a cup of granulated sugar. Oh my goodness, why am I not measuring these out beforehand? Well, you know, normally I measure out the ingredients ahead of time for my videos, but you know, these are supposed to be easy cookies. I don't want to do a lot of work right now. And then I have 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar. Okay, and now I am just going to whisk these together by hand, which is another reason why this recipe is so great. You don't need a mixer. Ooh, yummy. Okay, and now we're gonna add 1 egg. I don't know why I poured that all weird. And 1 egg yolk, and it's actually easier to separate the yolk than you might think. So let me just show you. You crack the egg like normal, but then you hold it upright and you keep the yellow part in it. Then you pass it back and you only try to pass the yellow part while you separate the white. And there you go, there's your egg yolk. So we are adding 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. And then of course, don't forget to wash your hands after you crack the eggs. Sorry, that was a weird angle to be filming from. Anyways, now I'm just going to whisk in the egg and the egg yolk. And now I'm adding in 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And you're just gonna whisk that in. Ooh. All right, now we're gonna set this aside and we're gonna mix together our dry ingredients. Now for my dry ingredients, I have 2 3/4 cups of flour, and then I'm gonna add a teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. All right, now I'm just gonna stir that all together. Okay, I'm done mixing together the flour mixture, and now I'm going to gradually add that into the rest of my ingredients. So I'll just take a few spoonfuls and just gonna mix them in with my spatula. Look, it's a snowy Christmas tree because it was dipped in the flour. Man, I'm really getting to a low point. And last of the flour. Okay, and next we're gonna add the chocolate chips. And you would wanna add about 2 cups of chocolate chips, but I'm going to mix things up a little bit, and I'm gonna add some red and green M&Ms for Christmas, because I love Christmas so much. All right, so here we have the chocolate chip dough. You want to add about 1 3/4 cups of chocolate chips, but you know, I added extra because who doesn't love more chocolate chips? And then here's my Christmas cookie dough. Mmm. Now comes the hard part. You have to chill it, but not for very long, okay? It's okay. We have to chill it for 30 minutes in the fridge, or if you want to speed up the process, I'm gonna do 7 minutes in the freezer. So this is the perfect time to start preheating your oven, and then you can just take the cookies out of the freezer and bake them right away. All right, I will see y'all in a bit. Okay, so I'm back from chilling the cookie dough, and I'm sitting now because I'm starting to feel kind of bad again. I think the medicine is wearing off. So I'm just gonna bake these cookies and get them in the oven so that I can eat mine. Too much. Just gonna take my cookie scoop here and I'm gonna scoop the cookies out onto my pan. All right, my cookies are ready to bake. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna bake these for about 10 to 11 minutes. But of course, it depends on your oven. Okay, so this cookie dough, the M&M cookie dough, was in the freezer too long because I was scooping out and baking the normal chocolate chip cookies. And so now it's kind of hard to scoop. Actually, I don't even know if I can scoop this. But I'm gonna try to at least get a couple cookies. So I can try one. And then I'll bake the rest of them tomorrow. Oh my goodness, this is hard. Okay, 1 cookie. All right, I got 4 cookies and I'm gonna bake them same time, same temperature. All right, so here they are straight out of the oven, and they still look a little bit soft on the top, but they will finish cooking while they're on the pan. So make sure you don't overbake them because they're getting golden brown on the edges, and that's when you want to take them out. Okay, and this part is optional, but if you want to make them look picture perfect, you can press some more M&Ms into the top right as they come out of the oven. So before, after. Okay, now it's time for the best part. I'm gonna try one. Ooh. Look at this. You can literally squish down the cookie dough. It is so, these cookies are so soft and delicious. These are probably the best chocolate chip cookies I've ever had. Like, I make a lot of complicated ones, but these are really good, simple ones. Just like super basic, but they are so good. Man, they're so soft and kind of chewy at the same time. And the flavor, amazing. Well, anyways, thank you so much for baking with me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite holiday activity is. Also, make sure you're subscribed and you can turn on the notification bell if you would like to so that you know when I post new videos. And also, I've gotten like 90 subscribers in the past month, which is crazy. It is way more than usual, but I would just like to give a huge thank you to anyone who has subscribed or has been subscribed to me. It really means the world to me that I can bake and make videos and share that with y'all. I mean, obviously I enjoy doing it because I'm sick and I'm still here. So thank you for supporting me and helping me do this. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Okay, I don't know why, but there's this one piece of hair that's being like really annoying. Hold on. Okay, whoa, now it looks like I have a major side part. And my oven is preheated. Blech. Thank you so much for watching. Gosh darn it.